Mimi, this would all go a lot easier if he were a little better behaved.
Dr. Furman, Wimbledon is a free spirit. It's not his fault we have to give him a distemper shot every year.
Last time, he ate my stethoscope and set off the fire alarm. Do you have any idea the damage those sprinklers caused?
Don't worry. I really think he's going to do a lot better this year. What happened to you? Wimbledon's checkup?
And remember, class, next week is UN Day. The student with the best social studies presentation will get to represent the school at a mock UN conference held at the university. And will even appear on television.
Haley, it happens all the time. A person gets on TV, an international agency notices, and bingo, a fabulous new modeling career is born.
But what if you don't win?
Are you kidding? With what I have planned, who could possibly beat me?
I don't know what she's so excited about.
Why? Because you're going to win?
Exactly. And when I do, I have a slightly more humble goal than that.
Which is?
To read a speech that will end poverty and create happiness for every single person in the whole wide world.
And just how do you plan to win?
I can't eat anymore.
I thought you loved popsicles.
Not 112 in one day.
Bradley won't even realize there are more important things in this world than the problems of one individual.
You mean like being sincerity at whatever she does, no matter what?
Correct. And as soon as you install the motor and pulley system, you have completed your part in this noble endeavor.
Wimbledon! Would you get out of the way?
Wimbledon, no! 3 weeks of work. Kaput. I mean, why can't he be like your pets? Look at them. They're doing what animals are supposed to do.
Cats are no different than any other animal. A little more independent, maybe, but they can still be trained.
Really?
However, no animal is going to allow itself to be trained if its owner isn't willing to spend time with it.
But he's just a cat.
When was the last time you and Wimbledon did something together? Just the two of you?
I don't know.
Communication is the cornerstone of all good training. Unless you and Wimbledon are willing to get to know each other better, your relationship is doomed to remain shallow and unfulfilled.
It's the Balloon Man! Isn't this beautiful? This is our time together, so let's enjoy it. Wimbledon! You can't always have it your way! quality time and get down to training. Okay, now, roll over. I have all the time in the world. Okay, forget that. We'll start with something simple, like fetching. How about shaking a paw? Any animal can shake a paw. Come on, here we go. Wimbledon! That does it! I quit! He was uncooperative, untrainable, and thoroughly unpleasant.
But other than that...
He was a nightmare!
Okay. I get the picture. It's possible you and Wimbledon suffer from irreconcilable similarities.
Irreconcilable what?
It's common for animals and humans to share similar qualities. The problem could lie as much with you as it does with Wimbledon.
Elaine, I am not like Wimbledon. Am I?
I tell you what, I'll help you train Wimbledon if you'll just promise to lighten up a bit. It's called behaviorism. An animal learns in relation to its basic drives. I prefer a system of rewards rather than punishment. See? Animal snacks.
Wow. Why didn't I think of that?
And then, once he's used to it, you don't have to reward him as much.
Finally, a happy Wimbledon. That's weird. Wimbledon!
Don't bother. He's not gonna come.
Why not?
Because he ran away.
Huh?
My UN Day project is going to be fabulous. It's called Cleopatra on the Nile. And it's going to star me, of course, and Pom Pom. We'll be carried on a royal raft by 4 hunky football players, whom I have yet to choose.
What about your project?
I'll get back to it as soon as we found Wimbledon. It's my fault he ran away. I should have known he was angry.
Hey, I suggested you train him in the first place, remember?
I just wish I knew where he was. Who knows what terrible thing might have happened to him? Huh? Wimbledon!
Everyone's covered in band-aids.
Maybe they're just no good at shaping.
Their arms.
Excuse me?
Did you wish to make a contribution?
I think my cat is on one of your billboards. His name's Wimbledon.
You'll need to talk to Mrs. Earl, the principal's wife. She's president of the society. She takes care of all the poster animals.
Yes? Wimbledon! What are you doing? Mrs. Earl, I'm Mimi Morton, and this is Elaine Petuskin.
Hello, Mimi. What are you doing here?
We've come to get my cat.
Oh, you must be mistaken. I found Barney here at the animal shelter with no tag.
Barney?
It's my uncle's name.
If you have no proof Barney is yours, why should we give him back to you?
But I do have proof. Look, his old leash and collar.
Those could belong to any cat, Mimi, and it's quite obvious to us that he's more comfortable right here.
I'll prove it to you. We'll put Wimbledon,
Barney.
whatever, in the middle of the room, and I'll call out his name. If he comes to me, we'll know he's my cat, okay?
Maybe we should think about this.
I saw this in a movie once. It worked perfectly. Wimbledon! Come on, boy! Come on! All right. Enough is enough. Wimbledon!
I think we've seen enough, dear.
That ungrateful, good-for-nothing feline! I hope I never set eyes on him again!
You wouldn't be so upset if you didn't care about him.
Care about who? Oh, Wimbledon. Wimbledon?
Yeah, what?
Wimbledon! I want my kitty back.
How's my little Barney Warney? Would you like some more Milky Wilky? Oh, is Poopsie Whoopsie tired? Ah, my carpet! Naughty Watty, Barney Warney. You rotten cat! You again.
Photos of Wimbledon at birth. Pictures from family trips. At the veterinarians with other pets. Several of his favorite squeaky toys. His favorite cat food. Probably his last fur ball.
Ugh.
In short, Mrs. Earle, indisputable evidence, albeit circumstantial, that proves without a shadow of a doubt the feline you have imprisoned in your home is none other than my cat, Wimbledon.
Fine. Who else would want such a beast?
Where is he?
I took him back to the animal shelter and had him locked up.
You what? His name's Wimbledon.
Nope.
And what about Barney? Have you got any Barneys?
Never mind, I see him.
You mean that fella?
Yes! Wimbledon! It's me! Wimbledon?
Oh, that one's crazy. The lady who brought him in here was covered in scratches. Why, he gave me these this morning.
Great! Well, that's all the more reason for you to hand him over.
Sorry. Once they're labeled vicious cats, they stay here.
Vicious cat? Wimbledon isn't vicious! I've never heard anything so ridiculous in my life! Oh, well. Well, at least we know where he is. And as soon as I finish my UN Day project, we'll think of a way to get him back out.
We may not have much time.
Of course we do! I can finish this evening.
Mimi, as far as I know, vicious cats are usually put down.
What? Do not panic! I'm not panicking, are you panicking? Elaine, say something!
Mr. Crawley works alone, which means he has to take a break now and then. But he probably locks the door.
And as far as we know, there's only one way in and out. Or is there? What's this?
Who knows? Maybe an air vent or something.
That's it!
What is?
This plan is perfect, Elaine. This plan cannot fail.
If you say so.
Okay, he's heading for lunch. Go!
This mission, should you decide to accept it,
Elaine, he's coming back! He's inside! Yes! Elaine, what's he talking about? Where's Wimbledon? All right, we did it!
No! My shelter! Oh, you lousy kids! I can't believe it!
With the body of a lion and the head of a man, the image of the Sphinx was used to guard temples and tombs. No one knows who built the Sphinx at Giza, but the face is supposed to be that of the pharaoh who built it. Thank you.
And now, Sincerity Travers will present Cleopatra of the Nile.
Wimbledon, sit still! There are no mice here!
Ow! You stupid cat! You ruined everything! What is wrong with you?
Wimbledon, how many times have I told you that I never, ever want you to change?